Hi girlfriends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Lauren, also known as thelaurynicole, and today I'll be sharing with you all not one, but 10 different easy curly hairstyles. So if you're interested in today's video, let's get started. Starting off with the first hairstyle, I'm going to be using the Conair Tangle Teasing brush, and we'll be parting my hair into a side part and sectioning off the rest of my hair. I am then going to apply a little gel and French braid the section I just parted. If you can't French braid, you can always flat twist it. As you can see, the end of this braid is not the vibe, so I'm just going to put some water on it and then finger curl it so that it can have a curled shape to the end. To finish up this hairstyle, I'm going to lay my edges. For every one of these hairstyles, edges are a must. I love it because it just kind of cleans up the look. I'm then going to take a pick and I'm just going to pick at my roots to really add some volume to this hairstyle. And now you're done. For hairstyle number 2, we will be keeping the braided look from the previous hairstyle, but instead of leaving it down, we will be turning this look into a half up, half down. And here's the final look. Start by parting your hair down the middle. And then parting down the side, so as of right now, you will have 2 sections. With each section, you're going to part down the middle of each of those sections, leaving you with 4 sections. With each of those 4 sections, you're going to twist them and keep them tight by rubber banding the sections together. And to keep them out of the way, I tie them all together in the back. Of course, don't forget to do your edges. And to spice up this hairstyle, I'm going to add these clips, but you don't have to. I try to scatter them around the hairstyle to give it dimension, and also to use the clips to cover up the rubber bands. And now you're done. This is a perfect hairstyle if you want to look like you tried, but you don't want to do too much. This is one of my go-to hairstyles as a college student. I'm going to start by taking out a few curls from the back of my head. as well as applying some water to my hair and brushing it all back into a ponytail. I'm using these huge elastics that I picked up from Target. They're perfect for my curl friends that have really thick hair. And once again, I'm doing my edges. To add some volume to this ponytail, I'm adding an additional elastic to give it some height and will slightly pick out my hair. It's giving messy, but in a really cute and put together way. Start by parting your hair down the middle. And then I'm going to section off the hair to keep my focus on the section that I'm working on. To create these buns, I'm going to start by putting my hair in a ponytail, but before I get to the last loop, I'll pull my hair through but allow some curls to hang out. Of course, do the same to the other side. Here's a closer look just in case if you're a visual learner. With this hairstyle, I'm going to do some minimal edges. With most of my hairstyles, I do minimal edges. I'm not really too keen of the big, over dramatic edges, but pretty much you're done. We're going to start by taking a few sections of hair out in the front. And for the hair that is in the back, we're going to put that into a bun. Turning our attention back to the front, we're going to apply some water. And we're going to finger coil the front to give it a big curl look. I'm going to mimic the finger coil and do that to the other side. And we're done with this hairstyle. Start by sectioning your hair halfway down the middle and brush both sides in a curved motion to the back of your head, leaving the part in the middle exposed. I then will put my hair in a ponytail, but before the last loop, I will not allow my hair to come through all the way, which will allow some of the curls to hang out. This method is also what I use when I don't have a claw clip because my hair can be really thick sometimes. To keep this hairstyle looking really sleek, I'm going to clean up my edges. And you are done. For this hairstyle, I have dampened my hair and will be sectioning off two sections in the front of my hair and twisting them so that they can stay out of the way. With the rest of my hair, I'm placing my hair in a half up, half down hairstyle and will be claw clipping it up in the back. With the two front sections, I will be slicking that down and bobby pinning it behind my ears. And with that, you are done with this hairstyle. Oh my gosh, guys, we're almost done. We are on hairstyle number 9. For this next hairstyle, section off two sections in the front of your hair. And with those two sections, I use a clear elastic and make tight ponytails. Tip, the elastic should be behind your ear. I leave my hair down, and to keep my hair defined and with this wet look, I use the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shriek Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. My last and favorite hairstyle is a slick back bun. I am simply going to brush my hair completely through to avoid tangles and hair bubbles. For my slick back buns, I like to keep my hair slightly wet. This allows my hair to be not as thick and will keep my hair tight and slick. Then I'm going to twist a bun in the back of my hair. Of course, do your edges and you are done with this look. I hope you enjoyed these 10 easy styles to do for the spring back to school season. Let me know which hairstyle was your favorite or which one you'll be trying out next. I've uploaded all my accessories and products used in this video onto my Amazon storefront for all of you to find easily, and that will be located in the description box below. Don't forget to like today's video and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and I will see you next week.